Don't forget to hit likes, subscribe, and click the notification button so that you will be notified for my new videos. Here's the ingredients for the Ube chiffon cake. 2 1/2 cup of cake flour, 8 egg yolks, and vegetables oil, sugar, and milk, salt, and baking powder. And I'm using also the 4-fold food coloring and of course the Ube flavor. And since the Ube Halaya is not available in town, so I'm using Ube powder. And for the meringue, the egg white is spreaded, and a 3/4 cup of sugar, and then a cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon. So all we have to do is mix the dry ingredient first, mix the salt and the baking powder into the cake flour, then mix it well. And set aside this one. In separate bowl, pour the milk and pour the Ube powder. I'll mix the Ube powder into my milk first, then put together. Then add the Ube flavoring, which is 2 teaspoons, and mix it well. And add 5 to 7 drops of purple food coloring. For me, I add measure it by 2 teaspoons, and add your vegetable oil and mix well. For the egg, just beat with your hand mixer until it looks light yellow. Then add the granulated sugar until it grows together. We will just beat until the sugar and the egg yolk will be mixed together. It will combine together. Since I put this egg yolk mixtures in the small bowl, so I need to transfer this to the bigger bowl. So my idea is just to add directly to the mixtures of oil or with ingredients so that it will fit on the bowl. After these 2 wheat ingredients will be mixed together, the egg yolk and the oil and the milk mixed together, we can add the cake flour, the dry ingredients, into the wheat ingredients. So we can add on the dry ingredients now, the cake flour mixtures that we mix with the baking powder and salt there. Just make sure we can mix this together without lumps so that our cake is very fluffy and smooth. By the way, you can use spatula on mixing the flour if you don't have hand mixer, but if you have hand mixer also, you can just put it in the very low speed because so that it will avoid the air will go through the mixtures and to avoid that to have many holes in your cake. So the mixtures looks like this, so we can set aside this one. In separate bowl, add the egg white to make as egg white. Start to make as until it will become like beat this until it will become white. And after this one, then you just beat this for 1 minute. Then you can add the cream of tartar and beat for 1 minute also. If the egg whites look like this, you can add the cream of tartar. Then add your granulated sugar little by little. You will beat this egg white until it will become foamy, and when you start to remove the hand mixer in your meringue, it will show like a peak, so it means that your meringue is ready to use. Just beat until your meringue is ready. When you try on, it shows little peak on the end of the hand mixer. So if it's look like this, your meringue is ready to use. And when you try to bend the container, it will never spill. So it will not, the meringue will steady on the container. So you can ready to use it. You can mix this meringue little by little into the flour mixtures until it will combine. Like just mix in one direction, just back and forth, so that to avoid the air will go through the mixtures. That's what I said, to avoid the holes of the cake. So after you mix this well together and your mixture or batter is ready, so you prepare and put this one on a baking pan. Then you can bake this to 25 minutes until when you try it with the toothpick, when you pull out the toothpick, it's clean, so it means it's ready or it's cooked already. So now this is ready to put in the baking